Metallurgica Schwarz, an enterprise with over 400 employees at work in a 16,000 square meter plant. This is a snapshot of an 18-year-old company, the fruit of a family tradition of more than 70 years in metalworking. An organization that has grown hand in hand with Brazil's automotive industry, that has always invested in research and in the skills of its employees, and that has learned to adapt to new times and to adopt new technologies. Metallurgica Schwarz specializes in the forging and machining of aluminum and brass parts. Global car makers depend on Schwarz for air conditioning, clutch, and steering system components, among other products. International standards have been achieved through a three-pronged strategy: process quality, high technology, and competitive prices. Schwarz's quality management system has earned ISO TS 16949 certification. This is just one more factor that places Schwarz among the best in its field and opens doors in the international market, as is already the case in Argentina, Mexico, the USA, Poland, Hungary, Austria, and China. Its 21st century profile and focus on the globalized market have helped make Schwarz the vigorously growing company it is today. Car makers demand precision and high-quality standards. Because it is able to forge parts ranging from 20 grams to 1.5 kilos, Schwarz turns out an extensive range of products. But Schwarz's specialty is not simply making parts. It is finding solutions. It does this through the teamwork of its engineers, which enables Schwarz to meet its customers' actual expectations. Technically complex problems, cost reduction, and prototype development are among the challenges to be faced in order to reach viable and creative solutions. These elements are worked on in combination to maximize results and supply the customer with the ideal product. Here are the main parts and components that Metallurgica Schwarz produces. The Schwarz production line uses high-technology domestic and imported machines to produce a variety of parts that satisfy the most rigorous demands. This machinery, together with the skills and creativity of the company's employees, provides quality, productivity, and orders filled on time. Here are the stages in the aluminum forging and machining process. Material reception and storage. Schwarz works with 13 types of aluminum alloys. Cutting, CNC and automatic machines. Precision saws with minimum cutting waste. Forging. Forging with machines of up to 650 tons. Hot and cold forging. Machining. Transfer machines. Boring machines. Vertical and horizontal machining, CNC and automatic lathes, drills, grinders, and others. This is Metallurgica Schwarz, a dynamic brand that has grown together with Brazil, a company that serves domestic car makers and is expanding its horizons worldwide, and a name that stamps tradition, professionalism, and excellence on everything it produces.